Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add multiple authors to your Squarespace blog. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the Squarespace website. Log in using your account credentials to access your site. Once you are on the main editing page, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Next, go to the Permissions and Ownership panel. Click on it to see the available options. From here, select the option to add a basic author. This will allow you to create a new author profile for your blog. To set up the profile, start by uploading a profile picture. Browse your device, choose the image you want, and upload it. Then enter the author's display name. In the profile fields, you can add details like first name, last name, website link, and even a short biography to give readers more context about the author. Once everything looks good, click Save. The new author will now appear in your blog settings and can be assigned to posts. So that's basically how you can add multiple authors to your Squarespace blog. That's it for this video. Thanks.